Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to add extension to your Microsoft Edge browser. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to extensions, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on get extension for Microsoft Edge. And it's going to take you to all available extension right here. Then from the home page right here, you can see different types of extension. Okay, so let's, for instance, I want to get this Adobe PDF editor extension. What I need to do is to simply click on it, and it open up like so. Then we can simply read instruction about the extension. We can simply click on show more right here to read details about the extension. Now, once you are satisfied with the extension, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Get. And add Adobe Acrobat PDF Edit, convert sign tools or to Microsoft Edge. Simply click on Add Extension. So the extension is downloading right here, as you can see right here. Just like so, now you have your extension right here, and it's going to be shown from the top right here. So it's as simple as that. So it's going to open up to another interface entirely. So you can simply click on Start Tour, and right here you have some of the instruction right here. Ping the Acrobat extension. So simply click on Next, and then explore Acrobat to use these options to edit files, convert to another format, sign it on the right, then click on Next, and use quick actions, select text, add comment, highlight, and more with handy tools. So simply click on Next, view recent files, access file you have recently viewed from across the web, click on Finish, and you have your extension right here. And right here, you can use this particular section here to edit your PDF, to add, to delete page, as the case may be. These are other tools about PDF from the sidebar right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply add extension into your Microsoft Edge browser. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.